this is John Wilder from Wilder Amplification. Today I'm here to demo the Diezel Herbert with our Evolution Plus series chip in it. I'm sure you all have heard about the Evolution series chip that adds in MIDI CC implementation to enable the use of instant access buttons on your MIDI controller to switch the functions and the channels on the amp stomp box style. We took that a step further with the Evolution Plus. Some people have been always wanting the channel 2 plus minus gain switch to be MIDI programmable. That was never implemented on the stock amplifier, so I went to work and came up with a way to write the code and do some various minor hardware changes to make the channel 2 plus minus switch MIDI programmable. If we take a look here at my MIDI controller, I'm using the Voodoo Lab Ground Control Pro. Set up in 4 presets per bank mode so that I get the top 8 switches as instant access switches. And the way I have it programmed is switch 1 is channel 1, switch 2 is channel 2, switch 3 is the channel 2 gain switch, switch 4 is channel 3, switch 5 is the mute, switch 6 is volume 2, switch 7 is the mid-range cut, and switch 8 is the effects loop. And I have a patch programmed in to bring channel 2 in on high gain mode with the effects loop active. Now I want to talk about channel 2. The gain switch gets converted to a momentary type versus a latching type like the stock one. But also what happens is the LED also gets changed to a dual color type. It switches between blue and green when you toggle between the 2 gain modes. Channel 2 low gain is green mode, and channel 2 high gain is blue mode. So, and just and so you can hear the audio difference here. This is the low gain. That's low gain. And when we kick in our high gain, so you definitely hear the difference there. That's controlling it from the panel end. From the MIDI controller, we can either hit instant access button number 3, and you can see the light toggle there, and or we hit it again, and with the instant access button in the on state, that puts channel 2 in high gain, whereas switch 3 in the whoops, I hit the wrong button there. Switch 2 or switch 3 in the off state puts it back in green mode, and it just toggles it back and forth. The other cool thing is that just like everything else, we can also program a patch where we can decide not only is channel 2 selected, but we can also decide whether it comes up in the high gain or the low gain setting. And it's programmable just like everything else. If I make a patch identical to this where I have channel 2 active with the loop active, I just hit a preset button here, and I select channel 2. It's already in green mode. And then I select the loop, and then I press the store button once, and you see the lights flash. Hit it a second time, the store light flashes, and it's now memorized. Now, when I go back to patch 2 here, I've got channel 1 with the loop on, but when I hit my patch that I just programmed, there, we've got the channel 2 in low gain mode with the loop active. So, it's compatible with pretty much all MIDI controllers. You have to have a controller with instant access buttons on it to take advantage of the instant access features. And for the Evolution Plus series, it's not just a matter of changing out a chip. There's minor hardware changes that are required in order to take advantage of being able to switch the gain switch. And it's also only compatible with the Herbert model, as this amp is the only one with a gain switch on it.
Thank you.